Hello everyone, my name is Marija Marič and I'm from Serbia. I have graduated from the Faculty of Political Sciences in Belgrade, and the main reason why I have chosen to do Master in Strategic Management for Global Business is because I wanted to obtain more practical knowledge, which will consequently position me better in the market, but also the fact that it's an international master gave me the opportunity to meet such an amazing colleagues from all over the world. Talking about the action project itself, I was doing consultancy project for Nintendo Italy, and the project consisted of more or less 3 parts. So the market research, the survey we conducted, and finally the communication campaign we developed. I was working in a team with Gianfranco from Panama and Laura from Italy. And if you're watching this, I want to say that you were great team members. The main constraints and difficulties that we were thinking might appear were related to time constraints and the lack of information. But I must say that thanks to our amazing mentor, Professor Stefano Sarao, and senior brand manager from Nintendo Italy, we were more than successful in overcoming them. Talking about my current job situation, I'm employed in an Italian consultancy company in Belgrade. So the master itself and the project, consultancy project, helped me really to, from the point of view, from the skills and the knowledge I obtained, since I'm dealing a lot with financial analysis, market research, business development, and so on. Also, not to be forgotten that the environment in which I was really helped me to improve my Italian. So it was something very precious for me. Nothing, what else can I tell to you? I wish you all very best and good luck from Serbia. Bye.